Tonight in Eye on Chicago, for more than 7 decades, some of the city's brightest students have shown their very best at the Chicago Public Schools Student Science Fair.
At this year's exhibition, we met a young man who doesn't just love science, he lives it. And as Marie Saavedra shows us, it's all about helping people in need.
His full name is Divine Favor Osuji, but he just goes by Divine. And people who know him say that name really hits the mark. Welcome to the 75th Annual Chicago Public Schools Science Fair and Exhibition.
I had hypothesized
At the Griffin Museum of Science and Industry.
You see? Yep.
These young people are exploring just about anything you can think of.
It's more of a rectangular prism that is portable.
From clean eating to sensor fusion and more.
I was just interested in things that could be analyzed as evidence in crime scenes.
But Divine's project is personal.
Growing up, I saw my grandparents suffer with a lot of different health complications. We were spending all of this money on these healthcare devices, yet it was also putting a horrible economic dent in our pockets. I just want to ensure that other families out there don't need to go through that same emotional suffering.
Today we're working on the Class 5 method.
So this Lane Tech senior decided to find a way people could monitor their health and not break the bank.
My focus was measuring 3 primary health vitals, which were heart rate, temperature, and blood oxygen levels. The whole point was to try and just get accurate health measuring vitals while also keeping the cost as small as possible.
This is not Divine's first rodeo. For other science fairs, he's created a prosthetic hand connected to a webcam.
It's kind of like shadow boxing in a sense, where whatever movement you made in front of that camera, the prosthetic would mimic that movement.
All of his projects center on his basic belief.
Anyone should be able to get adequate healthcare services, and that there shouldn't be a price tag on that.
Otu ihe ị gaghị ewepụ n'ebe ndị Igbo nọ bụ na anyị pụtasị afọ otu anyị si apụta obodo Igbo ihu na ndị nne na nna Igbo ha ga-eme ihe ọbụla ha ga-arụ ọrụ sie ya ike ka ha nwee ike wee zụpụta ụmụ ha zụọ ha nke ọma jisie ike hụ na ụmụ ha sokwa na mmụta ahụ ga-asị na ọ bụ na mmụta dị n'ogo ya na ọ bụ mmụta miri emi zụọ ụmụ ha kwado ha ọ na-atọ m ezigbo ụtọ na ọ bụrụ na hụ ndị si ala anyị bịa obodo oyibo n'agbanyeghị nsogbu obodo oyibo nwere nke ya oge dị ka akụ n'obodo oyibo n'agbanyeghị ka o si sie ike na ihe niile ihe mkpọbi ụkwụ niile ha ga-ahụ n'ụzọ mana ndị nne na nna Igbo ga-anọ bido ndụ nke ha na-arụ ọrụ jisie ike mụọ ụmụ gbalie nke ukwuu n'ịzụ ụmụ ha ma kwado ha. Ana m ekele nwa amadi maka o si wepụta anyị ihu na ọmarịcha ụmụ Igbo ọbụla na-agba mbọ ebe niile ha nọ. Ndị Igbo na-emesi ha ike, naanị ihe fọrọ bụ ka anyị mara na omenala anyị dị mkpa, ka anyị na-akwalite onwe anyị n'ebe ọ dị ukwuu dịka ndị Igbo n'igwe na-abụghị enyi otu. Mana ọ bụrụkwa ma anyị na-eme ọfụma hapụrụ ya anyị na-eme nke ọma, anyị na-agbalị, anyị na-emesi ha ike. Ụmụ Igbo bụ dachi.